Hello children. So today I will tell you a story of a boy called Paddy. Now Paddy was very short and his classmates used to make fun of him calling him Shorty, Shorty. But that didn't bother him because Paddy used to crack some joke, he used to make fun of the whole thing and then everybody used to laugh. So as he was growing up, he became very interested in maths and he loved maths. Okay, so he, instead of doing one problem which the teacher gave, he will do all the 10 problems. He used to get puzzle books and try to solve them. In the exam time when people hated maths exam, somehow Paddy loved maths and he used to enjoy giving the exam. And he'll come out all happy. So after some time he decided to study maths in his college days. And 3 years in college he studied maths. Now, the interesting thing about Paddy was he was always very hardworking. So, suppose he was doing maths problem, he will do hundreds of them. When he got interested in doing programming, he used to sit the whole night and start coding. He will write small games, he will make some application, and he was really hardworking in when it came to such things. And then finally, he got a job, and the job was IT job. It was a computer science job, and he really loved working on the computer and he was doing very well. So many times when people get a good job, what do? They relax, they don't learn anymore, they don't study anymore. But was Paddy like that? No. Even though his job was a government job, he always used to work very hard. He will try out new things, he will read the latest books, and he will look at the latest technology, he will try to implement it, and very soon Paddy became very popular in his company. Okay. And then one day an opportunity came for him to travel abroad. And then he caught his flight. His mama and dad are very proud that our son Paddy is going to the United States of America. And then Paddy flew, took a flight and reached US. And there also many of his friends will go for traveling, go for trips. But what will he do? He will be working hard. He will be enjoying what he does. And he put in a lot of effort. For instance, he started running. So he ran 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers. And then he even ran half a marathon. Okay. And he's this short man. But that didn't stop him. He will do big things. Okay. And then finally he got a very big job in a company called Microsoft in US. And there, once he got that job, he got his own house there. He got his own nice Audi car, a Harley bike. But do you know what's his favorite vehicle? His favorite mode of transport is his cycle. And he still cycles. He cycles 50-kilometer challenge. Sometimes he takes a 100-kilometer challenge. And he cycles in different parts of US. So dear children, with this we come to the end of Paddy's successful story. Now he was very passionate, no? And even though people used to make fun of him being short, did that stop him? No. He was very successful. He was very hardworking. And his hard work and his grit really paid him off in his life. Okay? With that, we come to the end of the story of passionate Paddy. Thank you, children.